We last saw Patty Cake. She was sitting down to a nice steak dinner that she just made herself on the last video. Look at this nice steak I cooked all by myself. Does it look good? Almost as good as me, guys. Does it look really good? Wow, this steak looks yummy. I wonder how it tastes. Let me taste it. Patty cakes. Patty cakes, no. Wow. Gonna choke on the steak if you eat it like that. Oh, okay. Well, how can we cut it? 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 Oh, shit. How can we cut it? How can we cut it? Yeah, there we go. I can't cut it straight. How can we cut it? How can we cut it? That looks terrible. Come on, Patty Cakes. Work right. How can we cut it? That's better. We gotta use a knife. You gotta use a knife and fork. Sorry for the bloopers, by the way, guys. I'm kind of mischievous and kind of hard to control because I'm a psycho girl. Hee hee hee. Patty cakes, that's not what you do. Oh, what do you do then? You basically take the knife. Take the knife? Do you stab somebody with it? No, you don't. You don't do that. You're not a killer. Remember that? You're not Patty Cakes Tates. Oh yeah, I'm a gentleness puppet. Yeah. You take the chips and you eat the chips. No, Patty Cakes, you gotta eat your steak and chips, remember? Oh yeah, chips and steak. The best steak ever. Yeah. Oh, look at the Snickers thing. Patty Cakes, are you easily distracted? Yes, I am. Why? You're supposed to be eating the steak. It's getting cold. Please eat the steak. Okay. I wonder what's over here. Patty Cakes. Eat the steak? Yeah, please. Okay. But how can I eat a steak? I'm only a puppet, remember? Well, yeah, I'll eat it for you. How's that sound? Yeah, you eat it for me. Like, eat it right now, man. Let me know what you think, okay? I'll be over here waiting for you. Okay. Patty cakes? Yeah? I'm gonna eat the steak now. I'll let you know how it is. Okay. Okay, guys, now eat this nice yummy steak. And let you guys know how I cooked it and how it turned out. Ooh, so far so juicy. Falling off the phone. So gummy. It's crazy.
Wow.
That's a good steak. Very meaty. Oh, it's not rotten. Oh, it's over, isn't it? That doesn't seem like it's rotten, which is a good thing. That's good. Not Patty, but that's good, right, Patty? Yep. Mmm. Tastes real good. Yeah. It's very good.
Wow.
Now I cook a really good steak. You guys want some? Want some? Are you guys still here? Please let me eat in peace. Like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like steak.